Looking for a convenient solution to keep your floors immaculate? In this video, we explore the top spin mops available on the market. After rigorously testing 16 different options, we've evaluated them based on factors such as setup, maneuverability, and effectiveness across a variety of floor types. We also consulted cleaning experts Michael Golubev and Justin Carpenter for their insights. From eliminating the hassle of wringing out dirty water by hand to streamlining your cleaning process, our top picks are designed to enhance your cleaning routine. Join us as we reveal our best recommendations for effortless floor maintenance. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop. Cleaning hardwood floors made effortless. Say hello to the O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop, a reliable tool that redefines spin mops. Weighing in at just over 5 pounds, this unit feels light and is easy to maneuver throughout your home. Adjustable handles offer a customizable height, enhancing comfort during use. You can finally eliminate back strain when tackling those pesky corners thanks to its ergonomic design. The triangle mop head glides right into tight spaces, making cleaning feel less like a chore. Dwelling on its eco-friendly aspects, the mop requires minimal cleaning supplies. Tough spots like butter come off without detergent. This not only saves you money, but also reduces the clutter from cleaning products. Keep in mind, a quick sweep might be necessary for larger debris, but this adds a touch of flexibility. What's outstanding about this spin mop is its brilliant water wringing system. It efficiently removes excess moisture, ensuring you won't damage your precious floors. A splash guard on the bucket serves as a bonus, keeping your cleaning experience tidy. In terms of usability and performance, O-Cedar stands head and shoulders above similar models. What I appreciate most is how easy it is to keep the mop fresh, as the machine washable head makes maintenance a breeze. While it may require an occasional sweep for larger debris, this minor detail doesn't overshadow its performance. Overall, O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop brings efficiency, comfort, and value to your cleaning arsenal. Number 4. Quickie Compact Spin Mop. Quickie Compact Spin Mop makes cleaning a breeze. This mop shines for quick jobs, and it delivers on its promise of speed. With a simple setup, you can easily fill the small bucket and carry it wherever needed. If spills occur in the kitchen or muddy footwear tracks your entryway, this mop steps in swiftly. One standout feature is the machine-washable microfiber mop head. It works well on all floor types, depending on your cleaning needs. However, only one mop head comes with the kit, which may limit versatility. Its round shape efficiently covers most areas, but may struggle in tight corners. Activating the spin mechanism is straightforward. Just pump the handle up and down to spin off excess water. While some may prefer a foot pedal method, this design offers a unique advantage. You spin the mop directly above the water surface, enhancing portability and compactness. Storage becomes easy because this mop breaks down into 4 shorter pieces. You can tuck everything neatly in the bucket without needing a large cleaning closet. While your options might feel limited with just one mop head, the usability compensates for it. You'll love how easy it is to maneuver while cleaning. This spin mop excels at providing speedy solutions for everyday messes. If quick cleanups are a priority, take a closer look at Quickie Compact Spin Mop. Still searching for the perfect spin mop? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. True and Tidy Spin Mop and Bucket System. If you're on the hunt for a portable cleaning solution, the True and Tidy Spin Mop and Bucket System is an unbeatable choice. This compact marvel makes mopping feel effortless, especially in tight spaces. You can easily carry its full bucket without hassle. Say goodbye to traditional mop heads. This model's flat, square design allows for superior absorption. You can control your cleaning with precision, applying just the right amount of pressure where it counts. Cleanup couldn't be simpler, as Velcro mop heads pop off and are machine washable. What truly elevates this spin mop is its dual reservoir bucket. By pumping out clean water while storing dirt separately, you always clean with fresh water. Red indicators signal when your mop is clean and dry, proving convenience is a priority. While this mop excels at handling flat surfaces like vinyl, it might not reach deep into grout lines or tight corners. However, on everyday floors, it shines effortlessly. 6 months of use revealed no wear and tear, showcasing impressive durability. What stands out most is how lightweight and easy it is to maneuver. You'll love how much time you save during cleanup sessions. It's perfect for those seeking a practical and efficient mopping experience. Discover for yourself why this product is a top choice among spin mops. Number 2. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. Revitalize your cleaning routine with the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. This innovative spin mop stands out from traditional models thanks to its dual spinning heads, effortlessly scrubbing away dirt on various hard surfaces. After extensive testing, it's clear why this mop secures the title of Best Electric Spin Mop. One feature that makes this mop shine is its cordless design, which offers effortless maneuverability. You can clean entire rooms without being tethered to an outlet. Swiveling heads enhance flexibility, allowing access to tight spaces and under furniture. With 4 machine washable mop pads included, maintaining cleanliness becomes simple. These pads easily attach and detach, making replacing them feel like a breeze. You receive 2 bottles of cleaning solution, providing a complete package to tackle all your messes. Quiet operation truly sets the SpinWave apart. Even during nighttime cleaning sessions, the low whirring noise promises not to disturb others in your home. Though the handle height isn't adjustable, its design feels comfortable for most. One minor consideration involves the mop head struggling in tight crevices. They occasionally miss small gaps, which can leave some stains behind. Likewise, the softer material may not scrape as well on grouted surfaces. Performance-wise, this mop excels at keeping your floor sparkling clean. After months of use, it still impresses with consistent results. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System. Cleaning just got a whole lot easier with the O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System. This innovative mop transforms your cleaning routine and is rightly labeled the best overall spin mop. Say goodbye to cross-contaminating your floors. Thanks to its 2-tank system, this mop separates clean and dirty water effortlessly. You'll enjoy the confidence of mopping with fresh water every time. Navigating tricky corners is quick and easy with the triangular mop head. No more fighting with awkward circular designs. Wringing out water becomes hands-free with the foot-activated spinning wringer. It saves your hands from soreness and simplifies the process. Safe on all hard surfaces, this mop shines particularly on hardwood floors. Testers found it brought out a beautiful luster, making their floors look brand new. Quick drying and odor-free, you can toss the mop head into the laundry and retrieve it in pristine condition. Even after multiple washes, it only shows minor staining, no musty smells hanging around. One minor point to consider is the bucket's lack of wheels. Carrying it around may feel cumbersome, but it doesn't diminish the overall user experience. What stands out most is its balance of convenience and performance. Easing your cleaning pains makes this mop a true game changer. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best spin mops. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which spin mop you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.